With the use of AI growing, the amount of fake news and information that is used out of context increases. It is hard for everyone to figure out what a person of interest or an influencer really said or what people claim they said. For people with influence, it would be great to have a way to make sure that their followers have an easy way to verify that the message they are reading is really for them, without being forced to trust a single company, across the borders of the usual channels this influencer uses. This motivated us to build Checkmate, a protocol that enables text-based messages to be signed on a blockchain and verified through an easy Chrome extension. As a writer, you first connect your wallet. Then you enter the text you want to sign. You can then export it to the clipboard and add a description. And you can either now submit, or you can wait until you've posted and then use the URL that you, for example, got on Twitter. Then you sign the message. And once the message is submitted, your loyalty NFT gets updated. Now you've created one check. And when you're looking on Twitter, those tweets now can be verified. When the influencer signs his or her message by putting a hash on the blockchain, a browser extension can easily pick up this text on any platform, so you can translate the addresses to names. With the help of small special characters surrounding the text piece. The reader only needs a Chrome extension, no wallet or anything else needed.